welcome back. No, we're not starting my hair like this. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another review and we are going to be reviewing the Bondi Boost Wave Wand. So if you would like to know my first thoughts and my opinions on this item, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, we are going to be reviewing the Wave Wand from Bondi Boost. Again, I will make this pretty clear, this is not sponsored. I wanted to buy this because I don't know how to curl my hair, and this is meant to make it easy, so I thought I would do a review on it because when I bought it, you guys said, can you please let me know how it is, so I thought I would make a video and also let everyone else know what my personal thoughts are. Again, it's not sponsored, so it's coming from someone who has generally used their money to buy it and is giving you their honest opinion, so I wouldn't just sit here and go, oh yep, this is an amazing product, just so if Bondi Boost ever saw it, they'd be like, oh yeah, let's put her on our PR list because she agrees with everything. I just want to give my honest opinion. I've spent my money on this, so if you guys are going to spend your money on it too, at least you want to know like a proper review. So let's start. I have actually taken it out of its box, but this is what it looks like. I was going to get the mermaid one, but I couldn't be bothered because I like Bondi Boost. So this is what it looks like. It's a little wave wand. You've got your little three things. Looks like a little mermaid wave. Ooh. And then it's got a little screen right there. And then they also give you a heat-proof glove, which is a smart idea. And they also give you a heat protectant spray as well, which I think is pretty cool for the dollar value. So for $84.95 plus shipping, you get the wave wand, you get a heat glove, and you also get your free protectant spray, which I'm going to use today because I need to protect my hair. It's almost sold out online. It's a pretty popular product. You get one wave wand and you get one heat protectant spray. They also have a money back guarantee. All Australian standard shipping is free. Okay, so what I said before, not including shipping if you're in Australia. I'm going to, this is just like the specs that come in the box. Bondi Boost Wave Wand operation instructions. It's just got product specifications. Instructions for use. Please read these instructions before using the appliance. Begin with 100% dry hair, so do not obviously use it when you have wet hair. If you do, it'll fry it. I learnt the hard way when I straightened my hair in like year 8 and it was still sort of wet. Hold down the power button, so that one, to turn it on. Set the temperature using the left and right buttons, which are these two. We recommend temperatures between 80 degrees and 210 for best results. I have my hair straightened on 180, so I might put this on the same thing. And it just says, start from the back and 1 inch from the scalp, take smaller sections to get more defined waves, blah, 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 blah. Comb the hair and then clamp the hair, hold for 5 to 10 seconds and release. Repeat this action throughout the hair. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so you've got a long cord, which is good. Me personally, I like long cords. I like to have the freeness of being able to freely move around my head. So my hair's like a mess at the moment. It's nice and fluffy. Look how fluffy it is. Okay, so now that my hair is brushed, I don't really know when it says chickens. Doesn't really say when to put the heat resistant in, so I'm gonna put it in beforehand. It probably does, but I'm not reading the rest of it, so I'm just gonna spritz it mainly on the ends because my ends have problems. I don't really know what the heat protecting glove is for. I mean, is it like, do people actually struggle with not burning their hands? I'm gonna turn it on. I'll try and let it focus on here. Okay, so that's turned it on. It's currently at 33 degrees. I have set it to 180. As I said, that's how I have my hair straightener, so I'm going to stick to the heat that I know works for my hair. And then, oh my God, I thought I had tiny hands and this glove is tiny. I have quite thin hair, as I have said. It is thin. It is thin. It is thin. This is just like one half of my head. And then this is the other half of my head. So there's really not much hair to play with. So I don't feel like I need to section my hair off. I'll probably like do little bits like that, but I don't need to go, you know, put half my hair up and do the bottom because it's so thin. So the reason I bought this is because I cannot curl my hair for shit. Like if my life depended on it, I would die because I can't do it. I've watched so many tutorials and I've watched so many videos of how to curl it with a straightener, with a curler, and especially to get these waves, which I really, really want. This was just an easier option. So if you're like me and you can't curl your hair for shit, this product is probably most likely what you need. It's at 176 right now, 177, or 178, or 179, or 180. I'm amazed. I'm touching it and this actually is like it's warm, but it's not burning my hands off. So I now see what this protectant glove is for. I'm gonna start, I know it's gonna start with the back of your head, but I wanna see what it's doing first. So I'm gonna start with the front. I'm just gonna take a section about that big because as I've said, I don't have much hair. Obviously, if you've got thicker hair, do not take my advice because I can't relate to your blessed life of thick hair. Just gonna open it and I'm looking in my mirror. Ow. Ah, that's so pretty. Okay, so what have I just done? Oh no, I turned it off, don't do that. Okay, so from doing one little curl section, because I, again, kind of have short hair as well, I feel like those 3 waves are enough for me, and no, I might do the bottom as well. Does anyone else have a real struggle when looking in a mirror of which way to go? Because I just can't get it. Oh, I keep turning it off. Okay, I will say one thing where I hold it is like my fingers kind of slip and fiddle, which is kind of annoying, but what can you do? Maybe just hold on to it a bit better than I do. That curl is really nice because this is the type of style that I like. I like the soft mermaidy, like beach day waves, whereas I'm not a big fan of full curls. And every time I use my curler to get this result, I don't. I'll just take another section of my hair and do that. So far, I'm really liking the style of curl that it produces. I was kind of expecting, you know, when you get a crimper and you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna crimp my hair when you're like 13. I was kind of expecting it to have that sort of vibe, but it doesn't. I will say though, where the buttons are quite frustrating because when you're leaning and your hand slips while using this, you can turn it off and you can alter the settings, which is frustrating, but where else are you supposed to put them? It's simple. It's how to curl your hair for dummies. Like, you know, all those things where it's like, maths for dummies, this for dummies. It's like, this is for me, because I'm a dummy. I don't know how to curl my hair. I'm not a hairdresser and I'm just not smart. Internal temp high, allowed to cool. Okay, so my camera decided to have a little bit of a meltdown and it turned itself off and didn't want to turn on for a little bit. So I thought I would do the rest of my hair. I love how it looks. So from the bat, I love the style. I love how easy it is. It is so easy to get these curls using this wave wand. So I love the fact that it is simple to use, it's easy to use, you get your free heat protectant spray so your hair is protected as well. I think this is just such a beautiful soft wave look, which I really, as I've said, has struggled to achieve completely throughout my entire life. The only thing that really grinds my gears, but that's because it's just like a personal thing, it's just where the buttons are. Every time I tried to go like that, my finger would knock it, it would turn it up, it would turn it down, it would turn it off, so that's kind of annoying. I tried to do it this way as well, and your finger does slip off and it hits them. It's not a big deal. It's just something that personally annoys me, but I'll get over it. One thing I do find as well is sometimes it sticks and it gets stuck there. I don't know if that's just because of what it's made out of. Oh, see? So it kind of just gets stuck. I don't know what that is about. I mean, it's not annoying, but it must just be like a thing that kind of happens. So that's kind of just, you know, a little thing that keep in mind. It does get stuck around about, it was doing it, but you saw it. That kind of personally is not a big deal at all, but it's just, keep it in mind. It will get stuck sometimes, like it has now. So you just have to flick it up, which, yeah, as I said, it's not a problem. Everything is always going to have something like that. The only other thing that I don't really 100% like is the fact of where the buttons are, or at least the fact that the buttons are so, like, you know, touchy. If you touch it lightly, it'll change. But again, it's not a problem. Honestly, it's just me being picky and it's just my review of the product. I just don't like where the buttons are, or I wish they were a little bit, you had to actually push them to get them to do something, so it's not just like you accidentally go like that and it goes crazy. It's also got a spinny down the bottom, which I really like, because you can just go all around your head and it's not gonna like get caught and break and snap and all that sort of stuff. So I really like that it does that. It's a really positive for me, because at least then you can go loo, 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 loo. and it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Gave me the exact look that I have been trying to get for ages, and it's so quick and simple. I mean, obviously if you've got thicker and longer hair, it'll take a lot longer, but for me it was really quick and easy. I love the color of it as well. I like the black and the white. Kind of reminds me of a stormtrooper. Well, it does. See? My overall opinion on this stupid buttons. My overall opinion on this is I really, really like it, and I am glad that I bought it, and I am going to be using it all the time. So if you guys want something that's super simple to get this hairstyle, I would recommend buying it. And honestly, for what it is, it's not that expensive. $85 is really not that much for a hair wand, and especially when it's such a quality item that I am going to use a lot, then I will definitely be reaching for it a lot more. As I said, if you want something that you're going to get this sort of look and you don't know how to do it like I do, this is the perfect tool for you. But it's also perfect for people who do know how to do it and they just want the easier way to do it and the quick way to do it. I recommend getting one if you are after these sort of hairstyles because it is so easy and simple. If you do get it, I would love to know your opinions. Like, let me know how you feel about the buttons, and if yours get stuck. My end opinion is I like it. I do like it, and I am glad that I bought it. I will not be selling it. I will be using it quite often, and I think for people like me who are beginners to hair, this is the perfect tool for you. So yeah. Okay everybody, that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review. I know my reviews are probably the most popular on my channel, below my makeup tutorials. So if you do want to see more reviews, leave comments down below of what you want me to review and things that you are interested in knowing about, because I want to give you guys what you want to see. So leave a comment down below of what you want me to review next, and I will get to it. And also don't forget to subscribe and join my little army, and leave a big thumbs up and a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video.